So you just got a job at Macca's. Or maybe you just want to learn those secrets so you can make a tasty burger at home. Well, I've done the hard work for you. This is how to make a McDonald's burger. Just get all your ingredients ready. You can start chopping up the tomato, your pickles, and the onion. Put the bun in the oven. Fry up some onion. Whack the patty in there. Yeah, nah, sorry mate, the ice cream machine's not working. Just keep an eye on that bun. And this should look like this. Whack the cheese down, the patty, some more cheese, some lettuce, tomato, pickles and onion, some sauce, and your bun. Now I know what you're thinking, this is looking pretty good, but this is the most important part, the McDonald's secret. Watch closely. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just take your palm and just kind of like that. Gently put it in just like this. Just reach inside, grab the tomato, something like that. Just grab a little bit of lettuce, the sauce, just get a bit on your thumb, and just a little bit in the box. And just close it up. Perfect. Last thing you got to do is just put it all in the bag for the customer. Just put the burger in the bag. Just be careful with the chips so you don't spill any of them when you put them in. And the drink, they won't need that. You just gently hand that off to your colleague so they can give it to the customer. You just got a job at Macca's. Or maybe you want to. So my housemate just got a job at McDonald's and she needs to learn how to make
That's true!
Alright, keep going. Okay, so the first